Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool used for visualizing data and creating interactive reports. Here's how you can make money with Power BI. Offer freelance services. Use platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to offer Power BI freelance services. Many companies need help analyzing and visualizing their data using Power BI. You can create custom dashboards, reports, and data models tailored to their needs. Develop data analytics solutions. Build comprehensive data analytics solutions for businesses. Use Power BI to integrate data from various sources and provide actionable insights. Companies may hire you to help them make data-driven decisions. Online Power BI courses and tutorials. If you're skilled in Power BI, create and sell online courses or tutorials. Platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, or Teachable allow you to teach others how to use Power BI, helping beginners and professionals develop their skills. Consulting and training. Offer Power BI consulting services to businesses that need guidance on setting up dashboards, creating reports, or optimizing their data processes. Provide Power BI training for companies or individuals looking to build their internal capabilities.